Alright, welcome to my first ever cooking video here. And I'm going to be making steak for the first time ever. So, let's see how this goes. Got the steak, got the salt and pepper right here. Okay, got the salt and pepper on there. I don't know how this looks. So, put the oil on the plate now, pan. Get a little tortellino. Just plop her on there, I guess. We'll figure it out. Let's see. Alright, perfect fit. I also got some garlic that I'm going to be using too. You know, I don't know when to flip it, so I'm just going to flip it whenever. Get some nice cloves of garlic here. Chop them up a bit. Oh, I also got some peppers. I got the peppers cut. Gonna chop up some of these cloves here, just a little bit. I'm thinking I should probably flip that over. Let me just finish cutting this first. Alright. Full bang. Alright, flip it over. Oh yeah. Looks good. Close up. Looks nice and crispy. That's gonna go on after. Oh, maybe I should have put the garlic on there. Some of that flavor. I wanted to get like onions. But they don't sell like one onion. They sell like a huge bag. I don't want a whole bag. I think it's done. I don't know. I haven't cut it yet, but let's see how that goes. Let's get these. Oh yeah, garlic, peppers. Oh yeah. Sesame Kitchen. Alright. A lot of you out there are probably gonna be like, oh my gosh, it's overcooked. There's no pink. Well, guess what? That was my first time, alright? I don't even know what kind of steak this is, what kind of meat it is, alright? It looks like a steak. Plopped it on the grill, salt, pepper. Try it out, alright? This is how you know you're a real cook. Get the old wrist action there. I also have I'm a proud owner of one fork and one pair of chopsticks. So, yeah, I bought this big thing of bread today because, you know, I like bread. Ooh. Let's see. Put some of this down here. Got the finished product here. We got the steak and peppers, some garlic. Now I guess I'll just do a taste test here. Taste test, first bite. First bite here, let's see. Ooh. First bite. Oh, hold on. I think I'm a master chef. 99 cooking. That was fantastic. Oh man. Can I get some garlic and peppers on the side? Oh, please. We just get a little picture for the final product here. Ah, boom. All right, well, thanks for tuning in to my first ever cooking video, my first ever steak as well. And I rate my steak 10 out of 10.